Hi guys, so with me today I have HP EliteBook 840 G5 and it's the same as HP EliteBook 840 G6. In case you're wondering how the motherboard looks like, what happens beneath this particular bottom cover, then this video is for you guys. Have a look here. We have a very big fan here. That means cooling is very sufficient. We have the speakers right here. This is the speaker. Remember, it has an upward firing speaker. And let me just open it up like this. You see the ventilation slot for the speakers are here, so that's the position of the speaker. And then here we have the RAM slot. We have two RAM slots. We have DIMM1 here, you can see, and then we have the DIMM2. So these are the RAM slots. So it means, and it supports DDR4 RAM. For example, the one that I have here, let's have a look. You see it's 8GB PC4, so it supports DDR4 RAM. So you can add RAM here from either 8GB to make it 16 or 16 to make it 32, or if you can get that 2GB of DDR4, you put it here, another one here to make it 64. So it's very upgradable. And then here we have the SSD slot. You can see we're having M.2 SSD here. It goes in through this particular joint right over here. And then here we have the battery. This is the battery, a very big battery that occupies this place. That's why this particular a lot of charge. The one that I'm having has a swollen battery. The battery is bad. This is how the batteries wear out. You see, it is swollen, so it means this battery will have to be replaced or removed. And then we have another small battery here. In case you're wondering what the function of this battery, this is the CMOS battery. This is the battery that stores data in the BIOS, this particular one. So if you happen to remove this battery, or this battery worn out in terms of charge storage capacity, then your BIOS will not be storing data. It will keep telling you to press enter to restart, or it will be just restoring itself. So it's normally very important. And now there's network card right over here. We have an empty slot here. This empty slot is very important because this laptop supports a SIM card. We have a SIM card slot right here. I'll just show you. So this is the SIM card slot. So if you insert SIM card here, you can access internet through that SIM card on this particular laptop, but you have to install a network LTE module right over here. It looks just close to what we have here, the Wi-Fi card, but it has an AMA so that it can work with the SIM card. So without that, the SIM card slot won't function if you don't place that module right over here. So this is the place where you insert that particular module. Otherwise, that is it all about HP EliteBook 840 G5, 840 G6 motherboard. That is how it looks like. If you found that video helpful and useful, don't forget to leave a like, and as usual, don't forget to subscribe. See you next time on another video just like that one. Big up.